Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get legendary skin in Istanbul, guys. So at first, just go to the game Istanbul, guys. Just hold on. Here you can see in the bottom left here Istanbul Pass. Just click on the Istanbul Pass. Now here you can see there are two kind of passes. If you buy the premium pass with 1200 gems, you can get a legendary skin in the very first level. Just scroll it to the right, and here you can see there are no legendary skin here. Now just go back and go to the shop which is under your profile, and here you can see, just scrolling, there is a free thing here, free prices. Just click on it, and there is a free legendary skin. If you have the chance, if you got the luck, you can get the legendary skin. You can also try this with watching videos. Again swipe it, and here you can see there are other spins here. It is a spin for special skins, and this is the spin for special legendary and also the all kind of skins here. If you spin in these sectors, you will get the legendary skin for sure if you try this for many times. So guys, this is how you can get legendary skin in Istanbul, guys. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.